If you're going to create your design on ColdStream, you will certainly need to define one or more targets. A target is a goal that should be strived for when designing a component. You can add a target to an entity by clicking on it, going to the settings, and by clicking on the Add Target button. As you can see, it is possible to set targets on a region, also on a subregion, or on a boundary. There are two main types of targets, the objectives and the constraints. Please refer to the documentation page if you need to understand fully what kind of target would be the most relevant for your setup. If you define an objective, you will be asked to attribute it a weight. The weight is important if you define more than one target and want to give them uneven importance. Here you may want to add another objective, but to attribute it a lower weight. If you were to define a constraint, you would also have to assign it a weight, but also a target value that will constrain the design run. For instance, here it would be a goal temperature in Kelvin. It is important to note that the list of available targets is not the same whether you are defining it on a region, on a subregion, or on a boundary. For instance, you can only define for a fixed flow rate inlet a pressure loss objective or a pressure loss constraint, while multiple targets can be defined on a design subregion.